Yes, this is the great Barry Williams, and I am going to do a brief crash course on how to access the Schoology website. So the first thing that you will go to Hale County schools.schoology.com. That's what you will go to, and you will see courses that are available to you on your screen, and whatever course that you are taking at the present time, that is the course that you will select, and you will simply do that. On your screen you should click go to courses, and you will see a list of courses that should be available to you. And if you are taking that particular course, you will click on it, and then the assignments that are available to you should pop up on the screen. All right, and so that is a quick crash course on how to access the Schoology website. We will get into the other components of Schoology at a later date.